Hello and welcome to Sporty's store. Today we're doing a presentation on radio, specifically for virtual Oshkosh. We know we can't all get together this year up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin for our amazing trade show, but we still want to give you, the customer, the experience of comparing some of the products here in our store. Two of those items are the Sporty's radios. We have the Sporty's SP-400 and the PJ2 COM radio. These are some amazing radios, but each radio kind of has a mission that it's custom designed for. We like to think that our radios are the ultimate backup radio, and I'll start with the SP-400. It has a lot of the features you need as a pilot to not only communicate, but also navigate. So this is a full-featured nav comm radio. It's extremely simple to operate. There's one volume knob that spins on. There's a squelch knob up here you can adjust. And then, of course, the big number keypad down here. We have a massive screen for us that have some hard time reading the small letters anymore. That helps us out. And it's also backlit here on the side. We have a push-to-talk switch on the side that sends the transmission. And then a neat little flip-flop button on this side that goes to the last frequency. So when I'm programming this radio, I merely type the frequency I want. So the local frequency here is 122.975. And if I want to go back to the previous frequency, I can just hit the flip-flop button and go back to the previous frequency. This radio comes with an alkaline battery pack, and it uses 8 AA batteries inside that alkaline battery pack. There's also rechargeable options available for it, but it has localizer, ILS, VOR, as well as all the communication capabilities all in one radio. Very simple, easy to operate. We love this radio. We do call it the ultimate backup radio. A lot of us, though, are not using radios for navigation anymore. I can't tell you the last time I flew a VOR approach. Don't tell my instructor that. So as a result, we're using a backup nav that's in our pocket, our iPhone or our iPad as a navigator. So the only backup we really need sometimes is a comm radio. This comes in where the PJ2 COM comes into play here. So this is a comm only that has the same functionality as the SP-400 in terms of programming. Big numbers, same way of programming it. Just type in the frequency and go. On one side we have the PTT switch, a flip-flop switch, and the backlight all on one side. On the other side we took and went an extra mile. All these radios normally have a special adapter that's required to power them. With the PJ2 COM, we put a Type-C port on it, just like you'll find on iPad Pros, Stratus, Sentry. They're all using Type-C for power. Well, you can use the same cable now to power your radio. Whether you're using an iPad backup battery brick or a cigarette lighter adapter or wall charger, it can all power this radio. The reason this is called the PJ2 COM is it can use PJ plugs. You can see the very top here. This opens up, and I can take a standard headset with PJ plugs and just plug it in. No adapter required. Almost every radio up until this point, you had to have some sort of adapter, even the SP-400, to use a headset with the radio. But if you're in an emergency and the whole panel goes dark, the last thing you want to do is search your bag to find that special adapter. Now I can just unplug my headset and plug it directly into PJ2, type in my frequency, life is good. The PJ2 COM retails for around $200 at sportys.com, and you'll find the SP-400 around $300. Again, simple, basic, comm-only radio with PJ plugs and the Type-C connector, ultimate backup nav, comm, ILS, VOR, localizer, all-in-one SP-400. Thank you for joining us here at Sporty's store. Be sure to tune in for more items from our virtual Airshow month.